Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make fun character illustrations in Canva. So here I have this blank canvas and I want to create the character. So if you want to do the same, just go to the left panel in here and find apps. So under the apps, just find the character builder. So you can just search for it. Here just type in character. Click on enter and there will be these apps that you can click like this. So this is the character builder apps. Here first you can choose the hat, so I'm going to click on see all to see all the options available. For example, here I'm going to choose this one as the hat. And you can just go back, and here I'm going to change the facial expression. I'm going to go with this. You can go back again and now choose the body. I'm going to go with this one, and let's go back again. And here you can also change the skin tone and also the hair color. So you can just choose which one that you want, and after that here you can click on done. And that's it, the character has been created. You can just move it like this and adjust the position and the size to your liking. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.